We'll guide you through how to accept payments with Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Payments. This is where you'll manage all your transactions. Now, to set up payment acceptance, click on Payment Links. This feature allows you to create a payment link that you can share with your customers. Click Create Payment Link, and follow the prompts to set up your product or service. You'll need to enter details like the product name, description, and price. You can also set up recurring payments if that's something you offer. Once you've filled out everything, click Create Link, and you'll get a URL that you can share via email, social media, or even embed on your website. Now, let's talk about integrations. If you're using an online store platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you'll find options to integrate Stripe directly within their payment settings. Just go to your store's payment settings, select Stripe as a payment provider, and follow the instructions to connect your Stripe account. Make sure you enter the API keys found in your Stripe account's API settings to complete the integration. This is essential for secure transactions. Finally, don't forget to test your setup. Stripe has a testing mode where you can simulate transactions without using real money. Go back to your dashboard, switch to test mode, and create some test payments to make sure everything runs smoothly before going live. That's it. You're all set to start accepting payments with Stripe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.